We're going. How to flash the chimney. First you put the flashing on the front. I don't know if you can see very well with the sun. Those are pre-drilled holes with the dry pin. Start from the bottom, work up on the side. Notice up here it has it's bent, so it'll go around the corner at the top. There you go, like that. We are getting that off. We're okay. It's real life. The nails don't always go in just like they're supposed to. And of course, same thing on the other side, which is in the shade. So Michael leaves a little ear at the bottom and a little ear at the top of the flashing to get the water away from the chimney and drain it away from that traditionally problem area of the corner pinpoint joints there. That's an extra dry pin. That'll be the joint for the top of the counter flashing to go into the brick. Whew, goodness. That's Michael doing that without a mask. And there's the completed install. For the counter flashing, set into the brick. The cricket behind the chimney. It'd be a bigger cricket if the chimney were located further down the roof. The ridge cap will go over that end of it. And it'll be caulked with matching caulk. And Michael will be finished with this job. That looks good. See how it's set in the brick? It's got a bend in the top of the metal that the flex of the metal keeps it in the joint, plus the caulking. There we go. No way that's going to leak. And Michael leaves the little ears out like that to keep the water away from the side of the chimney, which is really normally a major problem, or not a major problem, but a detail you have to address when you're doing this type of work. There you go, nice and tight. And then the other ones will go on in the same way. Be in the brick, the mortar. Whoa, that's in the brick. And then just for extra protection, it's caulked. Don't try this at home. This is a professional install. And then the other side. And why y'all chose Michael and why you wanted a metal roof?
Because he is true to his word. He cleans up. He has respect for you, and he has respect for your home. And when he says he's going to be there, he's going to be there. If he says he's going to do something, he's going to do something. And he done a great job.
Oh, thank you. Not that I did anything, but Michael did.